More tunes before we wrap it up for this afternoon. Don't forget music in the hall starting at 6 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock in the ballroom. So we're going to pack it up and we're going to party tonight. So we look forward to seeing you all in the halls. Everybody had a good time out here at the beach. Yeah. We appreciate you guys spending the afternoon with us. It's been a great day. How about a big round of applause for Aaron Soha and the Live Wire Band. And before we go any further, I want to introduce all the guys in the band to you here this afternoon on accordion, concertina, and vocals from Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Put your hands together for Jack Beachley. Next to him on concertina and accordion, all the way from Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. Let's hear it for Chris Bogdan. Behind me on the drums, from Port Huron, Michigan, let's hear it for Paul Crivy. Also in the back row on clarinet, sax, and vocals from Perrysburg, Ohio. Put your hands together for Jimmy Montskevich Jr. On my far left on trumpet and vocals from New Lothrop, Michigan, let's hear it for Bob Nason. Next to me on trumpet and vocals, also from Perrysburg, Ohio, let's hear it for Chase Montskevich. And I am Joe Zaleski from Ohio. We are the DynaBrass, and we thank you all for being here at the beach. We've got 3 or 4 more tunes for you. Right now we're going to do another one off our all-in recording. Here's Chase on the vocal, Shut Up Heart. Shut Up